Here we go. Here's another order I got, or auction items I got. I'm storing these on top of my cabinet for now because I live in a small one-bedroom apartment and there's not much room to keep any of my stuff. So first thing I got was this 3-light LED directional ceiling light. I reached one for $89, but it's $45.08. It is missing the mounting hardware though, so I'm gonna look this up and see if I can find the mounting hardware for that. Then I got this a while ago. This is maybe like one of my first pickups I had in there. This is an LED wall pack by Commercial Electric. I think this was usually like 30 bucks. Got this for about $5. Got this guy for about, I think, 5 or 7. And then I got it for about, I think, 10. This is a raised bed drip watering system by Dig. It is used, so I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with this. I didn't really think this one was gonna be used, but it was used and returned, so that's that. I had picked this up a while ago for my bathroom. I don't know if I'm gonna use it or if I'm just gonna sell this guy. This guy was for about $5 too. I think I could probably get about 10 for this guy, so we'll see. Let's go to the other items. The other items I got from auction today. It was like a kind of a bundle. This was separate. This I got for $5, and this is just a Delta Cassidy collection towel holder. Pretty nice. Thinking, I can flip this. I'm just selling these, just for a little bit of money so far, because I'm doing, like I said, I'm doing this all through OfferUp right now. I'm gonna be setting up my eBay account hopefully this weekend. So there's that. This did come in the pack. It was gonna be a Fiskars Planting Cultivating blade knife. When I just looked at it, you can tell that is broken. So this is pretty much garbage. And the thing is with these auctions is they give you maybe about 4 pictures, and this was kind of bundled up together, so I really didn't see this broken. So that's that. I did have a tape measure connected to this. I had one of these Stanley FatMax 25 footers. These are good because I'm buying all this for about $5, and usually these tape measures alone are like about $15. Especially the 25 footers. These are very common to use in the construction industry. And since it's made in the USA, a lot of people prefer the FatMaxes because they stay together longer. This little lip on the tape measure doesn't break off like it normally does with the other tape measures. So that came with this. It was also supposed to come only with 1. It said value pack, so maybe thinking it was 2, and something happened to it, so they got the one out of here. And on the back of this guy is a Aero T50 manual staple gun. Let me see if this guy works. And like I said, as long as I get $5 a piece for all this, then I'm cutting my profit in half.